Yes, you heard it right. It will be far more better than the Galaxy S22 Ultra when it comes to performance, and here's the reason. The first ever Geekbench score of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, including the display changes and potentially what Samsung will do with the new 200 megapixel camera. But talking about the Geekbench score, Galaxy S23 Ultra with the model number SMS918U appeared on Geekbench, where the single core score is 1521 and 4689 multi-core score, a big improvement over the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Just for the context, Galaxy S22 Ultra scored 926 in single core score and 2911 in multi-core score, and all thanks to Qualcomm new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which comes with the 3.36 GHz clock speed and comes with Adreno 740, which as per Qualcomm claims better than A16 Bionic chipset. And it is a reality since the Galaxy S23 Ultra Geekbench score are matching the performance of last year A15 Bionic chipset. Finally, an Android processor competing with the Apple hardware. Although the benchmarks are not the whole picture because software and optimization is what matters. As per Geekbench details, Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with at least 8 GB of RAM and will go up to 12 GB of RAM with the 512 GB of internal storage. And as per rumors, Samsung worked on the LPDDR5 RAM in the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is much better than the last generation. The ones who are expecting display changes should come closer because the changes are smaller and rounded. Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with a thinner metal frame, and the bezels on the Galaxy S23 Ultra are slightly bigger compared to the last generation Galaxy S22 Ultra. And also, Galaxy S23 Ultra metal frame will have a rounded corners more than the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which makes it more S-series device instead of a Note series from last year. The most awaited news regarding the cameras of the Galaxy S23 Ultra is out. It's about the new sensor HP2. Where according to the Ice Universe, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will get an improved dynamic range and will become more like a Sony sensor, and the 200 megapixel camera will also bring the significantly improved night photography. So the ones who like taking photos at night would definitely consider going for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The ones who are expecting a bigger battery might get disappointed because we are getting the same battery 5000 mAh. But as per 3C certification, Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with a 25-watt fast charger. But Ice Universe claims that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with a 45-watt fast charger, so it is not clear which one is true, but it's certain that the 25-watt fast charger might work just like the 45-watt we see on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you are excited about the Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you guys will be happy since Samsung is going to launch Galaxy S23 Ultra ahead of time. Expected release date will be in January, a month earlier than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you want to know how Galaxy S23 Ultra will beat the iPhone 14 Pro Max, then you guys should check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.